Shit. This guy is struggling for his life. Let's see for what he's getting struggled. Hi, hello, namaste. I am Pawan. Welcome back to Hack Insights YouTube channel. I've seen people getting frustrated like this guy, for which they're getting warnings like this. So basically we will get these type of warnings when we reach our storage space for respective Gmail accounts. So today let's keep a full stop for it. And I have found a better platform than Gmail. What? Terabox, right? I know about it earlier itself. What's the good news? Do you have sugar? Kya? Let me first complete it. Everyone knew about the Terabox where we can utilize a lot of space for free. But it consumes a lot of data and it will drain the battery fast. Including you will get a lot of ads in it. So I have came up with the best one. So when I said best, it is better than Gmail and it's better than Terabox. Yeah, you heard it correct. So it's nothing but बोलो जल्दी. Okay. Playbook.com. Once you sign up with the playbook.com, it will give you an instant 100 GB free space without any subscriptions or without any premium account. Wow! Even if you exceed the space, you can create one more Gmail account and you can use 100 more GB free. So when compared to other storage spaces like Gmail or Terabox, so here are few advantages of using playbook.com as your default storage drive. So first one, it will not consume more data. It will not drain your device battery. It is very compatible when compared to other storage spaces. You will not even see a single ad in playbook.com. And obviously, you will get 100 instant free storage space. So let's get started with the signing up process. So open the browser, any type of browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Mozilla Firefox, anywhere. It is very compatible for any type of browser versions. Open any browser and type https:/playbook.com and hit enter. So once you click on enter, you will see the interface like this. Now you can see the options called login and create for free. So click on login and it will show you the options to sign up using Gmail and continue with Apple. You can click on continue with Google and you can select one of the Google email that you have. So you have to select for personal use or any of the options provided here. You can skip few of the options also. Choose a unique name where it accepts and then click on create. Once you agree, it will ask you to create it. Done. That's it. And if you see here, you are using a free version where you didn't purchased any of the premium or the subscription here. So instantly you will see the 100 GB that you got. Now, if you go to the settings or the options that we have in the left side, you will see the GB that you have used here, like how much storage that you have used or how much data that you have used for this particular playbook. That's it. It's as simple as that. I have been using this platform from long time and it's very cool and very faster when compared to other devices, as I said earlier. Oh, okay, nice, cool. Thank you for your suggestion. What nice, cool. You like the suggestion, right? So do subscribe to my channel.
Run.
Are such a creepy guy. You ran away. You guys don't do like him. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss on any of the stuff that I posted across. Stay tuned to my channel. Let's meet in our next video with one more useful content. Till then, bye bye. Signing off, your Pawan.